Thank you for calling Cigar.com. My name is Edna. How may I help? Edna, sir. EDNA. Mm-mm. Mm. I'll be asking for that also. Go ahead, George. Thank you. And may I have you verify your email, please? All right. Thank you so much. No problem with that. Mm-hmm. Right. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. So, when you submit the order, it charge you or it authorize a price of 245.80. No, actually, what we are doing is the $50. The 100, just like what I mentioned, that 100 will be sent to you and together with the cigar, and you can use that on your next purchase, sir. That 100 cash, the cash 100, yes. That would be a card, and that will be sent together with the cigar. There's a promo code in that card that you need to provide the next representative. What I'm doing right now is, since you have $250, um, supposedly $250 reward, $4.99, I will this time, it did click